Why'd you shut it?
I didn't do anything.
Jimmy!
Open the door!
Scanning. Access denied. Uniform detected. Open mouth.
What?
Chocolate consumed. Access granted.
Hello? I was told by some guy I'd be getting a tour. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, all right, excuse me. Hey, I need my briefcase. Let go of me. Why would you even need that? Yeah. Oh, got it. Oh, no.
There's no other way in. Jimmy's toast.
Should we go get help?
We're not doing anything until we get further instruction from Jimmy.
Oh, how loyal. I see what you're trying to do.
What?
You're hoping Jimmy's dead.
What a horrible thing to say.
Oh, he's definitely dead.
Why would I be hoping that?
I mean, we're all thinking the same thing. The question is, how do we settle this like responsible adults?
Settle what?
Who gets Jimmy's channel?
Oh! Oh! That's good.
I mean, we could 1v1 for it.
Just don't tell Carl or Tariq.
The CEO would like to have a